Okay, I'm Ian, and I'm going to go over how to solve a distance word problem that of course has to involve trains. Okay, this is our question. A passenger train leaves the train depot 2 hours after a freight train left the same depot. The freight train is traveling 20 miles per hour slower than the passenger train. Find the rate of each train if the passenger train overtakes the freight train in 3 hours. Now this sounds like a complicated problem with a lot of numbers. And it kind of is, but we can simplify it using this blue chart down here in the corner. We know distance equals rate times time. And it says here that our time for the passenger train is 3 hours. And since the freight train left 2 hours earlier, its time is 5. And this is of course in hours. Now the rate, we don't know the rate, we're trying to find it. And so it's just rate for passenger train. And we know that the freight train was traveling 20 miles per hour slower, so it's rate minus 20. And then now we can set up our distance equation. That's d equals 3r, d equals 5 times r minus 20. It doesn't fit in the box. But anyway, now we know that they overtake each other, so that means they traveled the same amount of distance. So these two are equal to each other. So it's 3r equals 5 times r minus 20. And now we can tell that we're just going to distribute this, so it's 3r equals 5r minus 100. And now I just subtract 2r. And so r equals 3r minus 100. Now from this you can tell that 2r equals the 100, and that's why we subtract the 100 in this. So 2 equals 100. And then we just divide by 2 on both sides. And so r equals 50. Now this is the rate for our passenger train. And this is part of our answer. And so all we need to do for the second part is take 50, subtract 20, which equals 30. And that's our answer.